It is Wednesday, the 21st. We got flies in here still. We ended up buying these things. We caught about 3 of them critters. And even in the bike room, we ended up putting one up. And I don't know, so far we did the strips, and guess what I got? 2 flies and 1 Marcia. Anyway, here it is, Wednesday morning. I'm behind doing the video right now. I finally made the video, and there's another damn fly. And in just a few minutes, I'm going out there and set this unit up, so we'll be ready to go. But first, we gotta take 2 little puppies out. And look at that little Clutchy. She is relaxed right now. How about you, Sprocket? Sprocket, Mr. Sprocket.
Are you gonna take them out by yourself?
No, you go out with me.
But I haven't done any.
Okay, give me a minute. I might start draining some of that out there. Now, we bought this fly trap. I mean, you want to see something disgusting, but them suckers are getting caught. Well, what a beautiful morning. And it's time for me to start getting this unit ready. Going to do it now. 1 minute, Clutchy seems better. Then the next minute, not so good. But right now, she is on a mission. Huh. Well, I tell you what, when it gets time to load up, we're getting close. We got a whole hour and 40 minutes to go today. But I told them they're going for a long ride, and look at this. Look, even Clutchy. Hey, Sprock, you got Hal. Okay, you gonna go, big boy. Clutch, you got Hal. Oh yeah, you don't have, you baby. Clutch, speak. You gotta speak for me. Come on. No, that might hurt. Oh, you do it for her. Okay. We're all ready to take off. The trucks are hooked up. And man, do we need to clean that marsh. Everything's hooked up. We got our lights and flashers on to see if everything works. And then we'll be out of here. We've got it. All right. All right, here's one thing a lot of you may have noticed. I get going down the road, I look in my mirror and I see this flapping, so this is the last thing always to remember. All right, Spearfish, here we come. We only have 89 miles to go. It's gonna be a long ride. Some beautiful scenery along the way. And this might be the good lands, right, Marsh?
I hope so. With no flies.
No flies. Oh, we've been battling flies. And there our puppy dogs are back there. And it's nice that we're only going 90 miles today. That's so cool. Oh, the museum, Missile Museum being closed, yeah. But like I said before, when we hit these long roads of nothing,
look at this.
Yep, we get so excited to see something like this. I mean, they just stick these things up on the road. And look at Marcia, she's pointing and saying, look at that, look at that.
Look at this
Pretty.
truck.
Hey, there's another firehouse brewery. We're probably gonna have to have a firehouse beer. We got Red S wine, we got helicopter tours to do, we got a reptile garden, and we got some blackhillattractions.com. And we're at 3,044 feet.
Yeah, it's available for much more numerous. Alliance is a startup, new company.
I'm wondering what they do for a living around here. Hey, they're like us. They buy Harleys too. It's a big boy. Real big
What
boy.
was that? There's another one up here.
That squash or whatever. Whoa, I can't do it. look for the train all this time. Wow, hold on. That's a short train. Cadillac Jacks. Wonder if they have
Gaming resort.
wonder if they have a buffet there. Huh. Exit 32. We might have to try that out too. Let's see. Camping Sturgis RV Park. I bet you they're full.
There's a saloon.
Yeah. Judd, Wednesday, August 11th.
Full throttle saloon.
Deluxe Harley Davidson.
I don't know where that is.
Might be some nice riding around here, Mark. Look at them hills. That's my buddy Ed. This is gonna be home. There's some units out there.
Okay.
Alright.
You gonna take care of that?
Yeah, just hold on 1 second. Let me get in here.
I'm not telling you to do it this
You've
very
arrived.
minute. You got a thing here.
We got a lot of things here. Damn.
Okay, buddy. Okay, you gotta stop right here. Where do you go to
Check in straight ahead, I guess.
Yeah.
This looks pretty cool.
Okay, what are we doing here? That says
Where's
over there.
check in?
I don't know, babe. I've never been here. Is it this way? Is it that way? What does it say over there?
You know what?
Play, stay. Where are you going?
Right over here.
Okay. But where do you go in?
That right here, is that the main and check
Main
in?
lodge and check-in. Okay, great.
Okay. I'll
Okay,
pull
good.
up here and hopefully Ed will have enough room. Well, I tell you what, this is a pretty neat looking campground. Yeah, I see something dragging on my RV. I gotta say, when we came up, I was pretty well impressed. This is a cool looking place. And on top of all of this, it's only 20 miles from Sturgis. And even though Sturgis ain't gonna happen for a while, I heard it's really kind of happening now. I just didn't realize we're gonna be that close to Sturgis. I heard there's a lot happening already. But man, this place is even paved. This is great. What do I see over here? Oh, it looks like they got a nice pool. This is an alright place, man. Oh. This is gonna be fun, guys. Careful. There's my middle name.
Oh, God, help me. Mike? Damn it. What are you trying to...
It was supposed to be in first.
Whose fault was that? Are you gonna get on the board? Yeah, you got it. Got a question. What kind of driving was that?
I put it in first,
Yeah.
but it didn't go all the way in. When I came back down, I was sliding
All right.
on that rug.
All right. We'll get the other one out.
Well, everything is set up. We're here at Elkhorn RV Resort, and the dogs, they're doing what they do best. And like I said, just about everything's set up. There's them 34 glasses. Marsh is back here in the bike room. 34 glasses. We only can get 20 glasses of wine.
Oh.
And then we got a pretty good view out there. It's pretty cool. And the one thing that is the best right now is Clutchy is feeling better. Ain't you, Clutchy? She just don't like the camera in her face. We having fun?
Yeah, we're having a good time.
And what time is it?
It's time to feed.
That's right. Get out of here, we make a left. As soon as we make a left, we go down the road and there's a sign of the restaurant, and you make a right, and then you go down this little ways and you are there.
That must be the Black Hills. 1.2 miles. I hope I can handle this right. Let's drive. When we come back, we'll just take a tour around the park.
Yeah.
Look at this, look at this.
They got 2 units in it. Oh no, it's a trailer.
So you know, there's a provost.
Pulls open till 9.
Did you bring your chapstick stuff?
Now, right
I don't think
now,
so,
it is time to feed once again. And the restaurant's only like a mile and a half, less than
the
that
lady
from
next
here.
door to us, or the next door to us, she's a happy hour. Yeah, I guess we can't go left.
I think we can go across.
It's a DB guided probably. Looks like some nice riding area. They have food for us. You want to sit outside? No. Damn, I think it's hotter here than it is in Florida.
It is.
Yeah, but it's not as humid. That's true.
I don't know. It's hot.
It's not as humid, but it's hot.
80 or 90. But it's so.
They say this is part of the RV park.
I believe.
Hey, there's a deer or something.
That's an elk.
Oh, that's an elk?
Yeah, that's an elk. There's a lot of difference.
Yeah, that's much
He
better
can kill
than
you.
deer. Yeah, this guy could run you over like 6 ways a Sunday.
Except it's a statue. Exactly. Well, you can go up there and run into it if you want to.
And if you did run into it, it would stiff you.
Here we are. In a room full of hungry people. You think they'd have parking up here then, wouldn't you?
If you're in a golf cart.
Yeah.
Like I said, this was less than a mile and a half from the RV park. And it was a pretty neat place, but we did end up
How you
sitting
doing?
outside.
Good.
But they utilize our unique community to create a successful career path. In fact, 97%
Oh, it's all.
Let me get my phone.
You better get your telephone. This is a nice view right here.
Yes, it is.
And I tell you, even at the campground, it's a better view than Wall.
Yeah.
And do you guys remember Mike Doing,
I
Marcia?
need that rock right there.
What rock? That
That one.
we don't have enough paint for that
Yeah,
rock.
but you can have that. We can get that one.
No,
too.
we can't carry that.
How about that one?
that one? I don't know. That one.
Nice flat.
Marcia, this one don't look bad.
Okay.
You take that one?
Okay.
This one.
Marcia,
No,
a
Karen,
nice-
you need to be
a
quiet.
nice
Ed?
surface.
Ed?
A nice flat surface.
Oh, this is pretty nice.
All right, Lucy.
Yeah, there you go.
Nah.
No, that ain't good.
I'll put this one. Look at that.
Yeah, but then you'll be painting it and you can't see it.
I don't have to put any.
Do you
Come on.
see a nice one?
No. This,
If you see a nice one, grab it.
I'm gonna take the rock.
We left a good tip.
Good.
Everybody is getting a picture of the sunset. Except for me. But I'm in the air conditioning, so it don't matter to me.
Well, there's a clubhouse is right here. That's behind all that.
I couldn't get that.
Well, that's a nice little sunset over there. Well, Clutchy might survive here.
Them little bugs running up there like they hate paper.
Oh, he's going. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Oh, it's even got a fire hydrant.
Yeah, that theater right here.
Oh, yeah.
I saw when we were gonna check that out. I think Friday night they had some entertainment.
Oh, really? That'd be good.
We have to go. look at
Especially
the
if it's
office.
kind of cool, you know.
Cabins over here.
This is a neat little park.
It is.
Oh.
And of course, your occasional rollerblader going through the grass.
And then this,
Damn, look at the size of that trailer.
they have two or three monkeys. But there's one near us.
Look at that little-
Yeah, I
look at that little thing on the
Oh
back.
my God!
Yeah.
It looks like it's homemade.
Baby.
I don't see no
Compared to this
AC.
bus. Look
It
at-
looks homemade.
Honey,
That bus has got to have 2 decks and
Honey,
stuff.
they don't live in that one. That's the.
That's
other
for
one.
the
That's
toys.
where it is. Uncle Bud's 50 something another. 150.
No, 50.
Bob. It's at the bottom here. This building down here. This looks like a little house on the prairie. Oh, look at the moon, guys.
Yeah, I've seen the moon.
Look at this, Montana's got a sign out in the very back.
Yeah, it does.
Look
Wow,
at
look
this
at this
trailer
one.
and
Yeah.
all.
Where's that?
Right
Right
there.
here.
God. They mean business.
Oh yeah.
They must be drug dealers. They gotta be.
Oh my gosh. There's a Montana.
Hey, we got a A-class coming somewhere up here, Sam.
Well, I gotta tell you, at least ours isn't sitting next to it because even
Now,
though
what's
ours
this
is a
right
nice
here?
unit,
There's a
it looked
laundry
kind
room
of
in
cheap.
there that's the closest to us.
Okay, okay, cool.
Yeah, we're over there. See?
We are out of getting out
We're
to
250 to wash.
250.
See, that's
Well,
where we
the
are.
other place
Yeah,
was
here we
Was
are.
it? I didn't even notice.
Yeah, this is just a unit back there.
Oh, is that all it is?
Keep left.
We're left.
Oh, there's the little buffalo. Remember that in Arkansas?
You finally saw the
I kept going.
Look at that outlaw. Where that C-class outlaw.
Yeah.
It's got the side.
Where?
Yeah, right there.
It's got a side loader.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
Now, what's
yeah.
this one here? The V.
Voltage? No.
Voltage.
I don't know.
Graphics.
It's got a nice, nice.
Look at the truck, man.
Yeah, you don't go through McDonald's with that bad boy.
Oh, you don't go to McDonald's.
You take a picnic basket. Of course, that thing might have a galley in it too. I don't know. Oh, there's the sunset, guys. Look at that. Right by the little buffalo.
These guys are saying, oh, making us keep pace.
Yeah, watch out for this guy. He's out here to.
Oh, I see an Fusion and a Lions over bike, or just put a bike over there.
Are you going this way or
I
around?
can go either way.
You probably have to turn. Well, you can back in.
I can back. We'll have to
We'll
back
see
in.
who our neighbors are around.
That's right.
That is gorgeous. There's a page, you can see where Chris just
Yeah, he was telling me.
What is that? Well, he's got his little RV and he's got the cabin.
Yeah, the cabin. That's what his dream was.
Up.
Look at this, man. That's nice.
I'll tell you this. I think that full house was on the other
Look at this out back. It's got a big heavy-duty slide out here.
That's why they call it the Outback.
Going back.
Well, it looks like it's got support.
Going back.
Hey, now this I like.
What?
Look at this full house.
Yes, that's
Well,
what
what,
that's
Karen?
about.
Look
That's
at the
it. Look
flag
at the
on the
flag.
back.
The Harley Davidson thing on the back.
That is cool.
Yeah.
Ed.
Yeah.
What do you mean?
What window you have, Michael?
I think I have control over my window.
That's cool.
That's nice. Where are they from? South Dakota.
Yeah. Yeah.
They could have been over
Now that's good.
Yeah.
That's burglars,
It sure is.
Yep, it's a horse trailer, kid.
Boy, look at that trailer. I wonder what kind of fuel mileage he gets
I
at.
wouldn't bet a lot. Look at the guy with the white legs.
Oh yeah. Yeah. I may have to carry her. I wonder, you think she'd fit in that backpack, Marsh?
I wouldn't do that.
No? Bikes here.
There's a nice, really blue one.
Oh.
Nice strike.
Did you see on Facebook where somebody was like, that color is awesome? I changed my profile picture.
I seen your profile picture
But
change.
that counts as another mark.
What a short ride today for us, 90 miles, and here we are. This definitely is a nice campground. There's our buddies and all we're traveling with that we always travel with. And there we are. Oh, Sprockets feel. Hey, what are you doing? Huh? Hey, Hal. He's doing a Snoopy. And Clutchy, hey, you feeling good? You feeling better, ain't you, baby? We'll take you to your appointment Friday. Yeah. Man, the temperature has cooled down. Feels really nice out here right now. And there's a neat looking moon back there. I don't know if this GoPro can pull it up. Hey, Sprocket, come here. Come here. Come here. Say something to me. Ah. You little sweet girl. Yeah, you're a sweet girl. All right, Sprocket, come here. I tell you, it gets so hot during the day here. Now it's, I don't know, maybe close to 8 o'clock. And it's real comfortable. We'll take them for a little bit of a walk. I'll probably do a little bit of carrying for Clutchy. And then we're going to kick back. We're going to kick back, right, Ed? And it just feels good, too, to be at home for the next 2 weeks. And we got some rides to do. And I'll be able to get my senior lifetime pass here for national parks coming up shortly. Sprocket, Hey. Yeah, we're getting ready to get in kickback mode, but I can tell you one thing, for being so hot during the day, it feels really nice